Hey everyone, welcome back to KGB English Hub. Are you ready to turn up the volume and learn English with your favorite songs? Music is a powerful tool for learning a new language, and today I'm going to show you how. So, grab your headphones, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of English through music. Why learn English with songs? Well, music is a fantastic tool for language learning. It helps you expand your calm vocabulary naturally by introducing new words and phrases in context. Singing along also improves your summer pronunciation and fluency, making it easier to sound more like a native speaker. Additionally, listening to songs enhances your listening skills as you get accustomed to different tones, rhythms, and accents. And let's not forget, memory. Melodies make words and expressions easier to remember, helping them stick in your mind effortlessly. So, learning English with music is not just fun, but also highly effective. Now let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1. Choose the right song. Pick a song you love, but make sure it has clear lyrics and isn't too fast. Pop, acoustic, and ballads are great choices. For beginners, try songs like Imagine by John Lennon or Someone Like You by Adele. Step 2. Listen without reading lyrics. First, just listen to the song. Focus on how the words sound and the emotions behind them. Step 3. Read the lyrics. Now, find the lyrics online and read along while listening. Highlight new words and phrases. Step 4. Understand the meaning. Look up unfamiliar words and try to understand the song's story. Some songs have idioms and slang, which are great for conversational English. Step 5. Sing along. Once you feel comfortable, sing along. It will help you with pronunciation and rhythm. Don't worry if you're not a great singer, just have fun. Step 6. Use it in daily conversations. Try using new words and expressions from the song in real life. If a song says, "Don't give up," use it to encourage a friend. Let's try it with a popular song. Song, Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Lyrics. I'm in love with the shape of you, meaning, this means someone admires another person's body or physical appearance. Or try, song, Rolling in the Deep by Adele. Lyrics, we could have had it all, meaning, it expresses regret about lost opportunities. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below with your favourite English song and one new word or phrase you learned from it. Let's share and learn together. Learning English with songs is fun, engaging, and super effective. So keep listening, keep singing, and keep learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a fun lesson. See you in the next video. Bye for now.